We have started recording the session. So today we are doing, um, lighting of a car. So in this, I'm showing you an advanced technique of Arnold material as well as Arnold lighting as well. Okay. So with this approach, we can achieve realistic output, like hyper realistic output. And uh, if you can do something like this particular output you can add in your demo reel. Okay. Nowadays in the gaming industries or even in the real movies or VFX industries, this is more popular. Okay. Hey, hi Lyndall, morning.
Morning, sir.
Try completing your assignment, team. Okay, it's very important. Save as. Okay, I'm gonna pick a few of the reference images for the background purpose. STP batch 2 and 4 car lighting source images. A few of the graffiti images are also there. Okay, this is the surface. I would like to apply a new material, assign new material, Arnold shader. Whenever you're doing Arnold lighting, go with Arnold shader and make a habit of like creating Arnold shader and texture. Okay, it's always useful. So under color, I'm gonna pick 2D texture. Where is the 2D texture? Empty file. And here I'm gonna pick a road. Okay. Okay, why this is not visible? Select all, edit, delete all by type history. Edit, delete all by type non-deformed history. And go to hypershade. Edit, delete duplicated shading network, delete unused nodes. I'll go to outliner. Mental ray, I'm gonna remove mental ray. I'll remove spotlight. Edit and parent. I deleted. Let me create a new surface. Okay, it's something like this. So I would like to unwrap this in x-axis, UV planar mapping, x-axis, and this I would like to unwrap in y-axis. Oh, sorry, yeah, y-axis. Okay, unwrapping is done. I'm gonna select this, edit, delete by type history. Okay, so let me apply existing material AI standard 2. I can see the texture here, asphalt, road asphalt texture. In this, in color, place to the texture, I'm gonna repeat UV to 4x4. Something like this. Or even I can increase this to 6x6, or let's say 10x10. Okay, something like this. Then I would like to reduce the specular weight or color. Okay, I don't want any specularity. Now coming to this particular part, I'm going to apply a new material again. This is Arnold, and this uh, I would like to apply graffiti. So I'll take an empty file and either this or this or this. I think this looks good. I'm going to apply this one. This is something like this. Okay, this looks good. I'm not going to change anything. It's looking nice. So majorly, you can see the specularity over here like this for this particular model. So what I'll do is I would like to reduce the weight and color. I can increase the roughness part. Or I can reduce index of refraction. I can reduce. So I think that's better. Now the car part. So car body, I would like to, okay, this is a Mercedes car. Which color you want? Which color of Mercedes car will make? Shall we make black, white, or any other color which you guys prefer?
We can make it black, so
Okay. No yellow, no blue.
or another color.
Let's say, okay, let's make it black. Again, I apply new material. Arnold shader. I apply AI standard surface. Okay, color, make it black here. Okay. Weight 0.8 is there. That's fine. Specular, I think it is okay. Specular color also. So, okay, this particular part, let me separate this. I'll select this one, this one, this one. Then I would like to combine this, combine. Okay, so this I would like to apply glass as a new material. Again, AI standard surface, select. You can name this as glass. So here preset, star button is there, right? Preset, select this, make this as a glass, replace 100%. Okay, and this, let me apply the same existing standard surface 4, which is car paint. I'll apply as car paint. Car paint. Okay, this is glass. So now what I'll do, I have saved these things in a layer wherein body. So this is the body. I have saved it separately. Let me turn off interior. This is a glass part. Let me add this in a glass, add selected object, and I turn off glass. Okay, I can make this as chrome, let it be. Let me turn off the tire part. Okay, remaining whatever is there. Okay, let me turn off the light part also. I'm gonna share this model with you all later, okay, so that you can do the same thing. I add this light also into this. So right now remaining whatever is there, everything can be chrome, excluding the alloy wheel. Okay, excluding the alloy, I can make this all look like a chrome. So I'm selecting everything, excluding this. Right click, assign new material. Again, I'll go with shader, AI standard surface. I name this as chrome and preset, make it chrome. Okay. We have the body part, right? Okay, this one, earlier we have applied AI standard surface. This one you can make it as car paint metallic. Car paint metallic, replace. But here if you see car paint metallic, okay, some shade is there. If you just see like this, some sort of shade, it looks good. It is a metallic paint. So what happens when we select this preset, automatically all the other values will change. So what I'll do, it is sort of blue color with a specular as kind of cyan. So if you are choosing black, color has to be black and the specular color kind of gray. Okay, that whatever color you apply here, that color lighter tone has to be here. Let's go with this one only. Then let me enable alloy. Select objects. I selected alloy. So here, right click, assign another material, assign new material. Again, I'll go with Arnold shader. This is a multi-purpose material. So this has alloy. You name it. Okay, alloy. What color we want? I want kind of a ceramic finish for alloy. Replace. This is ceramic alloy. Or instead of ceramic, let me add car paint only, metallic. But color of the alloy, black is good. Okay, like this. Fine. Okay, light part is there. Let me select objects light. I'm gonna apply again a new material. Again, AI standard surface. Here, incandescence bulb. I want to look this like a incandescent, means a bit of glow. Okay, like this. Already you can see some sort of light in this. It's glowing, right? So I enable rest of the things. So the things, it is looking like this. Let me select this one. I'll go to the attribute. Again, yeah, that's Chrome. It's okay. Fine. Remaining is tire. Let me select the tire. Right click. Select objects. What I'll do is new material. Again, Arnold shader. AI standard surface. Here, tire. This is a rubber material. Click on this. Go for rubber. Replace and color black. Specular color also darker. Something like this is there. Okay. Now what I'll do, just pick some view like this. Let me create an Arnold light. As you see, like we have seen physical light, we have seen sky dome, mesh light and all we have seen, or area light we have seen earlier. Let me take sky dome light. So what happens when we take sky dome light? This is the dome and this is the sky. Okay. Now I'll go to the attribute of this. See, common, you should know common attributes. Normally intensity will be there, color will be there for the light. Okay. And what sort of exposure samples, if you increase number of samples, it takes time to render, but you get a good quality. These are the common things which you should know always. So I'm going to increase resolution. Resolution gives quality. Okay. If you increase more resolution, takes time to render, but you get a quality output. So I'm going to increase the intensity part to 3.5 or 4. Exposure is nothing but, you know what is an exposure. Okay. So let me just select a view like this. Then render setting, choose Arnold. Okay, I'm not picking anything else for now. So let me save this. Okay, then in Arnold, you have Arnold render view. You can pick this. Render, you can click on run IPR. It does take some time to render. Great. You can see. Now tell me, you have to tell me what is that, um, happening here, and what's your observation in this? Arnold render, when you turn on IPR, it is kind of quick, okay, but it's not the final render. You can do a lot of changes. So now tell me what to make this look good, what we have to do. You have to tell me, Lindell, Lindelwa, Lindo. What happened? Select the sky dome light, reduce the exposure to 1. It was 1.3, make it 1. You can check see the changes here. And intensity, instead of 3, make it 2. See, you can see changes. Make it 1.5. I'm using skylight. You can see the output instantly. And I feel chrome is not matching. Or if I want to change the body color, I select this one, body paint, and I go to AI standard. Let's say if I want black color, I make it black, and specular color to gray or black, something like this. So you can see the changes. Or let's say base color. Let me make something good. I want base color to be red and specular color to be sort of red. Like this, things are changing, and the base color, we can make it bit darker so that you get a darker tone somewhere here. Now coming to the alloy part. Alloy, I did not like this alloy. So alloy color, I make it white, and specular color, I make it white. Your alloy looks like this. Okay. And all other things are looking chrome. Okay. Now, even alloy also, I can make it look like chrome. Let me select this preset, change this to chrome. Yeah, great. It looks chrome. Okay. Metalness is 1. It's fine. Now coming to the glass part, IOR, index of refraction, is 1.5. It is there. If I make this black, if I make this color as black so that you get bit of tinted, but there is a see-through actually here also in this. Okay, I make this black. Okay, yeah, just give me a minute, 1 second, guys. So this is the changes, like which we have done for the glass. You can just check the variations. Okay, what is that weight you want to give? Weight, make it 0. Okay, darker looks good. Okay, so you want to give bit of metalish, for the glass, or else even you can check what sort of glass. Do you want a normal glass, frosted glass? You can pick a frosted glass, a bit frostiness will be there, or else just pick a normal glass only. It's okay. Okay, like this. So anisotropy, you have seen this in Maya software material. There's a material called anisotropy. This will give a bit of angle. The specularity will be in an angle. You can just pick that, and I think it is fine. Okay, this is something good. So what else? So these chrome part, we can make it darker, right? These things. Let's make this darker, and this also a bit. If you want, you can make this as darker. Okay, it looks good, dark thing. Or chrome finish, if we require, we can make it chrome. Okay, something like this. So any doubts, Lindell, Lindo? Actually, this is a pretty simple one, but you get a good output actually with this one. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So this is, this is a sky dome light. This is most popular for the exterior part. So in this, let's say, you can define even, how do I do this? Even you can change this some position. You can see how this things looks. It looks great. Okay, I think there is something red patch here. We can work on it. Let me just have it something like this. So for now. Okay. So what I was saying is, in SkyDome light, use color temperature is there. This will define you want a daylight or night light. When I use color temperature, now if I reduce the temperature, okay, it's gonna be more and more warm. If I increase the temperature, it's gonna be night or evening tone. Okay, this is a trick. Increasing the temperature, you get blue tint. Reducing the temperature, you get warm tint, that orange tint. Okay, so understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Great. So with this approach, like you can get better output in Arnold render. And in renderer, this is called beauty. Okay, there are multiple passes will be there into passes. Okay, this is called beauty pass. Anyhow, you can render this. And to achieve a better output, what you can do, you can go to render setting. Here, diffuse. You want a realistic color tone. You can increase diffuse level to 3, specular, more specular to 3. SSS, you don't have to increase. This is called subsurface scattering. Subsurface scattering. This is required only when you are doing organic rendering, that is characters. Remaining thing, it's fine. Filter and all, Gaussian filter, I think it is okay. Catrom, or I think Gaussian is fine. Motion blur, no need to enable motion blur, because when we are doing a rendering of an animation, enabling motion blur makes sense. Nowadays, like we do all this in compositing, some other like Nuke or Adobe After Effects and all will do. And system, okay. Render type, you can, this is interactive, I think it's okay. Sampling level, if you increase the sampling level, like you get better output, but it takes a lot of time to render. I think all this is okay. But what you can do in common, you can pick the resolution to, instead of simple one, to HD 720 half HD. So it looks good. Okay, the output looks good. Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, will you be able to do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do you want this particular model, car model, or will you download some other model and you'll do a vintage car? You can download vintage cars and all. Okay. Let's say 3D car download. Something like, you can go to Turbo Squared, you can go to something like this. There is a free version, you go for free version and you can download it. Huh? Okay, this is free. Classic car something is there. This is Cinema 4D. Okay. This is Blender. Okay, try anyhow, or else, anyhow, I'll be sharing this particular model with you. Okay, so the same model, I'll remove all the material. I'll apply default Maya Lambert material and I'll share it with you. Okay. Textures, I'll not be sharing. Textures, what you have to do, you have to apply road texture. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to apply road texture and you have to apply some graffiti. Okay. Some graffiti, and then you can do. So I did save this. I'm gonna save this for as another file. Car assignment. So I'm gonna delete this also. Select all, apply new material, Maya surface, Lambert. I applied Maya surface Lambert, but anyhow, you have the segregation over here, layer wise. You can do this. Okay. Now I'm gonna remove all the materials. Edit, delete unused nodes. There is nothing here. Okay. So I'll be uploading this particular model. Okay. I want you to work on this with Arnold shader and Arnold lighting. So show me the output, share the final output, by next class. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
In lighting, we have done
Yes.
interior lighting, we have done exterior lighting, we have done 3-point lighting, character lighting. Now car lighting is also done. We have seen Maya default Maya software lighting, in SIM 3. Okay, and in Arnold, we have seen, area light, mesh light, physical sky dome, light portal and all. We haven't seen. That's okay. So I think lighting part, most of the things has been completed. You let me know if any doubts you have. So next class we will be doing rigging. We will be starting advanced rigging. Okay. After advanced rigging, we will be starting animation. Once the animation part is done, I think rigging will go for some 6 session or 7 session. Animation will go for some 10 to 12 session. Those are advanced animation. Once that is done, like we'll be having an exam for you. Final exam will be there. Before that, like I want you to just go through the theory part. All the theory, session documents has been shared with you. I think you have the theory documents, SEM4 here, SEM4 documents here. We have modeling, lighting, rendering, paint effects, that is we have seen. Simulation already in Dynamics, Maya Dynamics we have seen in the last sem. And Pixar Renderman, this is like Arnold, what we have seen. Just this is for the content purpose, you can go through. You will be learning dynamics also. After animation, you will be learning few of the dynamic session. This is purely theoretical part, augmented reality and projection mapping. What is this augmented reality and projection mapping is? We have done this in After Effects, okay? Like virtual reality or AR part. So this is a combination of 3D and VFX. So since you have, the 3D part and the VFX part, this is more of theoretical session. You have to go through this, okay? Let me know, do you have these documents with you for the exams? Okay. And I think your exam will be held by end of April. Okay. So if you need some more time, you have to let me know, so that I'll be discussing with Zwane and Peshaya. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, I think 50% of the marks depends upon your assignments and your portfolio. You have to create a portfolio. So try completing the work and just inform this to Sena and Nati as well. Sena, at least, I see Sena in some of the session, but Nati, I don't know. I'm not able to, that person is not attending the sessions as well. If you get a chance to meet him, just pass this information to him. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Take care. Bye bye. I'll upload this video and I'll share the
Thank you, sir.
Maya file, through WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care.